Hello everyone, thank you for joining me for the official unboxing video for April. April's box theme is April showers, and of course you have your little joke. So starting this month there will be a golden ticket in one box, so there will always be one lucky winner, and the golden ticket is worth $50 at nailbasics. The only stipulations is no cash value, and it does expire 3 months from the purchase date of your box. So keep an eye out for the golden ticket, and if you are the lucky winner, give us a shout. Either reach out, you can call us, give us a DM on Instagram or Facebook, or you can always give us an email as well and let us know that you won. We also encourage you to post an unboxing video or a photo with your golden ticket. Getting into the box this month, we have a new hand lotion. If you haven't tried out the Hemp Seed lotions, these lotions are awesome. They are a new brand that we brought in, and we absolutely love everything that they carry. So we gave you a couple samples of 2 of their different scents. And this month we have the What's Up Pure Color number 2. This is a 3D sculptor brush. So this one's really great for working with the 3D gel colors. It's also good for working when you mix acrylic and gel together into your own sort of acrylic gel paste. This brush works really awesome for that kind of work. And then as you'll see today, it's also really great for watercolors. Which brings us to our next item, is this cute little 12-pack of watercolors. So you have 12 shimmer watercolors in here, and I haven't used these yet, but I have been told that they do have to be used with water. They don't really work with acetone or after wipe. Next up from Young Nails is the silver foil. If you haven't used this before, it is more like a foil leaf, so this isn't a transfer foil. It would be similar to like gold leafing. So as you can see, it's really thin, and I will show you how you apply that as well. Also from Young Nails is the stain resistant top coat. We have these cute little multicolor water crystals. So these are sort of the little spheres. You can see they're kind of like a little sphere, and they have all sorts of different colors in here and different sizes. And then we have the UberChic plate Flora and Fauna. And last but not least is Nail Basics Bondage. It's our gel primer, the adhesive for first and last